Hey guys, this is Mort's Tutorials bringing you the installation to Vista. I am running this in a virtual box. Don't think you can tell, but I'll just drag it up and show it. There's the virtual box at the top of the screen. But for the sake of this installation, I'm just going to run it like that, just so if there's any mistakes that I made, they can be fixed and I can delete it and start again. So we're just going to go next, select your country, and press install. Just waiting at the moment. Here we go. Right, and it's Home Premium, Ultimate, or Basic, or whatever else, except the license terms. Now, obviously, because there's no Windows there, so it's got to be custom. Not a problem. 25 gig. It's only a virtual machine, so you don't need to be that big. Right, so just going to do this. I'm not sure how long this is going to take, so I might have to come back to you later on this one. Just say your computer will restart several times. Oh, there you go. It shouldn't take that long if it's done that quick. So basically, this is just a case of sitting back and relaxing, letting it do what it needs to do, and then if it asks for your input on anything, give it the input. Basically, really easy. Just 3% on that. Let's see if it takes a while, so I'll get back to you on this one. Okay. So yeah, that is nearly done. We'll just wait for that. Shouldn't take long. Shouldn't be long now. Let me just check something. Does this all of the others? Yeah. Right. So it should nearly be done. What I'll do is I'll be back with you when it's done and completed. Okie doke. Okay, so the virtual PC I think might have restarted. The screen's just like gone black. So I'm presuming it's just restarted. Check, I mean there's a mouse on it still. Hoping it's just restarted. Minus down. It says it's running. Show. No, it's gone white. Okay. Still says it's black though. It's black. Alright, anything I can do? Oh yeah, there we go, it's restarted. Right. So we ignore it again, because it says boot from CD or DVD. And we let that run. It shouldn't be long now when it restarts. Here we go. Microsoft Vista. Right, when that loads up, if I can get my mouse to work again, when that loads up, I should be back with you. Okay, and where am I? So that's just finished that bit. It's just gone to a black screen again, so I'm hoping it's just loading up now. It might take a little bit of time. Shouldn't be long. Here we go. Here we go. Right. Just going to ask for a name, for a username. So the username I'm going to use is going to be Mort's Tutorials. A password I'm going to use will be the one I use. And the password hint. I'm just going to leave that one blank, it's optional. Choose an account picture. Ooh, let's go for robots, more techy, isn't it? Right, and computer name. What's tutorials will do. Choose a desktop background. Let's choose that one, that looks pretty cool. Wall, that one. That one. That one. You know, I like them all. Go for that one. Vista Basic. Sorry, I'm really indecisive. It's pretty cool. Use recommended settings. Right, and we will go for Greenwich Mean Time because we are where we are. So it is a next, and I'm going to be back with you soon. We'll just set up the rest. This will be my network and everything else. So it turned out I didn't want my network details. I just wanted to know where it was. So it's home. You click on that, and then it comes up with thank you. So you start. Presumably, you should get a start bar or something like that. That's my Windows 7 start bar. Don't confuse that with Vista. Just need to wait for it to work. Might take a little bit of time. Here we go. So we're now, please wait, while Windows checks your computer's performance. Getting it done just got more fun. Hang on 1 second, I shall be back in a minute. I've got someone calling me. 2 seconds. So the computer's rebooting itself. So you just got to wait for it to all load back up again. And what's it coming up with now? Probably loaded itself a BIOS. Pretty cool. Be back with you when it's back up and loading. It's just going to load up normally now. If anything else comes up, I'll be back with you. So it's just loaded up normally. Alright, so it's loaded up and it's just asking for my password. So that's loading up fine. Preparing your desktop. And that should, I think, will be Vista loaded up successfully. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Loading up. All nice. Shouldn't be long now. There we go. We'll just go start computer. So it says it's got 1 gig of RAM. It's got 24.9 gig hard drive. And it should just tell you computer name, full computer name, dun 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 dun. Should say registered. Somewhere, computer name, watch tutorials. Computer is activated. That's the product key. You do not see. Or maybe you do. Not quite sure. But there you go. So that is Vista successfully installed. And there you go where that took.